everyone, welcome back to the DanST Engineering Dyno. Today we've got a Suzuki Swift in with the classic G13B engine. We've got a couple of these on before, I don't see that many, but we do quite a few kits for them. So yeah, this one's come in for, basically the guys bought it with this engine setup already in there, and just wanted the carbs sorting out. They were a bit tatty and a few things needed changing, so we wanted them sorting out and a bit of a dyno run, make sure it's running well, which it certainly is. You'll see that later. So he said, the customer said that it was some sort of built engine, possibly Bill Faulkner, or Bob Faulkner, I'm not too sure, race engine, so he wasn't really sure what to expect, but he said it was pretty pokey compared to his other standard one. So yeah, we've sorted the carbs out. There are a set of R1 carbs. Obviously bike carbs don't work on car engines, as we keep getting told by certain people, so we'll see these bike carbs not working and not making power on this engine shortly. So yeah, we've sorted those out, rejetted them and put in some nice trumpets on, because there were no trumpets. In fact, a couple of the top caps, these mouth plates were missing off them, and the inlet manifold had been made with a 6mm thick flange plate, which was all warped and was leaking air. So we've had that off. We've skimmed the manifold on our Bridgeport, and we have, it's not our inlet manifold by the way, we make ours with 10mm thick plates, and we do machine all our inlet faces. But anyway, we've managed to machine it flat, put a new gasket on there, so it's all running nicely. So yeah, he wasn't too sure on the spec of the engine. Now quite often when people bring built engines to the dyno, they can be sometimes a bit disappointing. Sometimes they're not, sometimes they're great, but quite often they can be a bit disappointing. This one is certainly not disappointing. Yeah, we were blown away by it. So yeah, we'll show you some dyno runs, listen to that glorious 8,500 RPM that it's quite happy to rev to, and then we'll go through the figures and see what it does. But yeah, it's a cracking little engine, really impressed with it. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, so there we have it. The numbers are in. Peak power of 153.6 brake horsepower at 1300. So yeah, whoever's built this engine has done an absolutely cracking job. I can't believe the revs it's happy to go to as well. It's I mean, it's peaking a bit over 8, but it doesn't really drop off until you get to sort of 8.5, which is really good for a non-VTEC, non-VVT little engine. So yeah, wow, what a result. So yeah, obviously the bike carb's not working. As you can see, we've got this nice 12 AFR all the way along, 12, a little bit over 12, yeah, it's pretty linear. But yeah, bike carbs definitely don't work on a car engine, as people keep telling us. But yeah, obviously I'm being sarcastic here. They do work, of course, just as well as, if not better, than most other carbs. So yeah, for a budget setup, set of R1 carbs on your Suzuki Swift G13B. I'm not saying you're going to get 150 brake horsepower, but yeah, they'll certainly do the business. So yeah, if you want a kit like that, an R1 kit, we can do you one of those, or some slightly smaller carbs for a lesser spec engine, no problem at all. Yeah, get on our website, check it out. We list it all under the G13B designation. So yeah, have a look, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.